Well, today I'm so excited to receive this big box from Hobby Link Japan. What's inside this box? Ooh, let's open the box. Okay, first one is Perfect Grade 00 Racer. Wow, it's really big. Huge. The second one is, yes, Perfect Grade Gundam red frame. It's a little bit smaller than the first one, but still huge. That's really cool. And what's the last one? Let's see. Let's open it. Wow. It's the, again, Perfect Grade Strike Freedom Gundam. Those are the three Perfect Grade Gundam that Bandai released in recent year. All of them are really big. I have put my iPad there just to compare the size of the box. You can see that they're huge. Again, this is the Perfect Grade Gundam Astray red frame. This is the Strike Freedom Gundam, which is slightly bigger than the first one. And this is the 00 Racer, which is the biggest one. You can see, compare the thickness of the red frame and 00 Racer.